Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I will show you the basics of tradingview.com, also how to use our MST iCore 2.0, and let us see the performance of yesterday, that is on 10th February 2022. So few of you have asked me doubts how to log in to tradingview.com. So what do you do? Simply take any browser and type tradingview.com, then you will get a page like this. Once you got this page, then come to this part. See, there is an icon which is image with an image of a contact. Okay, just click here. Then you will get an option to sign in. Click onto that option, sign in. Then you are having 6 to 7 options here to log in. What are the 6 to 7 options? So first option is by using your Google ID, that is Gmail ID, you can log in directly. By using your Facebook, if you are already logged in, or if you know the Facebook username password, then you can use the Facebook user ID and password to log into tradingview.com. Or you can use your Twitter account, or you can use your Yahoo account, you can use your Apple account, you can use your LinkedIn account. If you have already created a username and a password without using any of the above, that is without using Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple or LinkedIn, you can directly come to this part. Here you can either enter your email ID or enter your username. So now I have created an email a username MST India. I am giving the password. So password, please don't ask me what password I have kept. It is very easy only. Right, now I have entered both the password and username. I'm giving the sign in option. Am I right? Right, yeah. One mistake I have done in the password. So you should not forget your password. Ooh. Okay, it is not MST India, it is GSM India. So I forgot the username itself. So GSM India, right? So that is why I get the problem for login. So now it is successfully logged in. Okay. Now what you have to do is select any script whichever you want to trade. And before that, a few of you don't know how to change your password. It is very simple. Just click onto the logo here next to upgrade, that is a username, and come down. You will see a profile settings. In the profile settings, you will see you can change your username only once. Then you can change your image, that is the profile photo. You can change your email ID. You can change your password here, right? If you click on to this change password, if you know your current password, enter the current password and select the new password. That's all. You will be setting the new password. Suppose say you want to secure your TradingView account, then you can go for two-factor authentication, which means whenever you are trying to open your TradingView account, no one can open it unless you give one OTP. That OTP will be coming to your email ID or to mobile phone. And the third option is you can keep one Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator or any authenticator which will keep on generating a OTP which is time based. If we enter that OTP only, the sign in will be successful. Otherwise, it will be not successful. Okay. So all these options, if you want, you can change. So this is how to change your password. Don't forget, just go to profile settings and select change password. Enter your current password and new password, and don't forget the password what you are keeping. Right? If you want to change your email ID, that also you can change. So while you are changing your email ID, you will be getting a notification to your existing email ID. That code you have to enter here, right? Once you are entering, then you can able to change your email ID. So that's all dear. That's about generating email ID. That's about creating email trading view account and login to trading account and change of email ID and change of password and setting two-factor authentication. And if you want, you can add your mobile number also, right? The mobile number you can add, and you can add any other email ID for getting any SMS. And if you're having Twitter ID, you can enable Twitter ID here. If you have any YouTube channel, that you can add here, YouTube username, Facebook profile. If you have Instagram, all the social media details can be added over here. So that's about this basics of using TradingView. So next one, how to select the script. Suppose say you want to open CRUDEOIL. Okay, you want to open CRUDEOIL. What to do? Come to the right side, that is a watch list, and click on to plus button. There it is written very clearly add symbol. Okay, so whichever script you want to add, just type the name. Come down, see here you can see the Indian flag. Okay, crude oil features, click onto this. Whichever features you want to trade, okay, that you can add. If you are trading current one, that is February, then March, then next year, next month, you can add anything whichever you want. So I am adding the first one. Now it is being added. I'm clicking onto this. So now here you can see one option. See this arrow button. If you click onto this arrow button, then the chart will be open in a big screen. The full screen will be open. So click here, see more on advanced chart. If you clicking onto this, you will be able to see the full chart of the crude oil. So by default, it will be in a day time frame. If you want, you can change it to 50 minutes time frame or any other time frame. If you want to favor it, just come here and the right hand side you can see the star button. If you click on the star button, that will be added to your favor list. So here you can see both 5 minutes and 15 minutes. That's all. If you want to add any indicator, come here. If you are subscribed to any of our indicator, that will be there in your favorite. So whichever indicator you want to add, just click one click enough. Okay, automatically our indicator will be added to the chart. This is one method. Then another one, if you want to add any free indicator which is available in the TradingView platform, which is hosted by the TradingView people as well as the public. So now come to technical part. So there you can select any of the indicators. So technically means which are there by default and it is programmed by TradingView people. And community script, people like you and me have uh, created yes, indicators. So with or without source code will be available in this community script. So whichever you want, that you can select. Then this my script, which means if you are coding yourself any indicator, so those coding will be available in the my script. Then financial. So if you want to know the income statement, the balance sheet, cash flow or statistics of any company, then you can use this. What is the gross profit? What is the total revenue? Cost of goods sold? Everything you can see here in the financial. It is like a screener. Okay, fundamental screener. Okay, that's about using this. And another important things what I can tell you. If you want to change your name, that you can change here. Rename you can give. So I can give GSM India. Then settings, see here we are able to see all the content. 9 EMA we have used. Then the values of all the indicators are shown here. If you don't want to see them, then click on to settings, come to status line, come down here indicator titles you will see, and below that you will see indicator arguments and indicator values. Both you remove it. That's all. So now here I can see only the letters in the blue color. I'm not able to see the label. Then what I can do, come to this settings, go here, select the label and come here. Okay, where is the label? This is the label. If you want the symbol name, that you can keep. They have changed anything. Symbol, price, high, low, average. If you want, you can add indicator, financial name. Yeah, they have name. They have changed the name of it. Indicator, financial name. Okay. If you are doing that, automatically the label of the indicator will be available. Then you give one save button. That's all. Automatically it will be saved. Now our market has opened. Now our market has opened and we are into live market now. So now we have to get this line a straight line. Okay, then only we have to enter into trade. So this is based on today's data, and if we add mstschooloftrading to 3.0, we can have the previous night data. Okay, previous night market. See here, market, if it is coming down to 6715, then there is a buying opportunity. If it is going and touching 6795, then there is a selling opportunity. Selling opportunity, buying opportunity. Okay, so in between you have to wait. Okay, this I will cover in the next video. So now I wanted to cover the basics of TradingView because most of you are kept on asking me how to change the password. Okay, it is very simple. And suppose if you have, by mistake you have closed this indicator from here, don't worry, don't get panic. Okay, we are giving a lifetime support, right? You don't have to get panic. What you do, where is this color removing drawings? Yeah, what you do, come to this indicator portion and you will see in the favorite. Okay, in the favorite you will be seeing, just give one click button, that's all. Your indicator will be ready. Nothing to worry. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. Okay. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead. And one more thing, if you are not subscribed to our indicator, please try to subscribe. It is available on lifetime validity. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch all our videos. You will get a very good knowledge in the share market. Thank you all. All the best.